Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover this Vitiligo white patch with the natural exact skin color. So this patch we are going to do it on his elbow place. Elbow place is a little sensitive one, but it's much more bearable, not so much of painful thing, so you need to worry about much. So the process has been started now, we are progressing and we are trying to cover with the exact skin tone of his elbow. We are trying to match the exact skin tone as much as possible. We are improving the color tones from the down to top and matching it up with the exact skin tone. So in this way we can achieve the exact color output than the normal little darken effects. So in this video you can see the inks and the skins are getting observed and the surroundings are not much vibrant. So there is another elbow of the same person. We are going to do the patch test on that particular place also. So the process has been started now. We are matching it up with the exact skin tone. As you can see, it's mingled. So there are many times people used to get doubt about how we can be able to match it out this. As you can all know, in this treatment we are trying to match the exact skin tone by managing the color outputs, not with anything else. So in this, if you can see, we are trying to bring the exact skin tone of his, and I'm making a little one tone darker. Usually everyone's elbow will be a little more darker than the actual skin tone, so I'm trying to achieve the same effect so that it will look much more natural. And in this treatment it's completely safe, it's infection free, there is no chance of spreading will be there. Many of them thinks that will there be any spreading if we get this treatment done. No, seriously not, there is no much spreadings in this treatment. It's completely safe to be proceed and go ahead. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us, the above display number. Our team will be helpful for you to know about more information, and they'll help you for you to be book an appointment in the future. So the process has been almost done now, and for the same person we are plan to proceed with the one more patch on the finger places. So we are doing it on the fingertip on then the above place. As you can see, we are matching it with the exact skin tone, so that once got healed, he'll be get the more natural output. Instead of that, it will not look artificially, it will look so much naturally. So as you can see the procedure how it's done, it's completely perfect to be go ahead. If you are a person looking for a permanent solution with the least maintenance, then this vitiligo treatment will be really helpful for you. And there is no side effects and there is no hard maintenance. That's the most beauty about this treatment. And we have attached our social media links, you can check it out for the before and after pictures. So we are almost at the end of the progress. As you can see, it's matched exactly before and after. And we'll meet you in the next video. Don't die nude.